Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm an event planner for the Orange County Library System. I plan a lot of author events and writing workshops, and since we're not able to have those at the library right now, I invited some of my writing friends to provide writing tips for you. This one is from RuthAnne Snow, the author of When the Truth Unravels.
Hi, my name is RuthAnne Snow and I'm the author of the young adult novel When the Truth Unravels. I'm very excited to be here talking about the craft of writing, which is just exciting. I hope I'm not too awkward in this video. Doing my best. But the thing I'm going to talk about today is the concept of showing versus telling. And what does that really mean? The first thing I want to mention is that if you're finding that the concept of showing versus telling is getting in your way as you first get your story down, then just forget about it for now. Just write and then consider this as something that you want to pay attention to as you revise. But showing versus telling, it's a critique that writers get a lot, especially when you're starting out. Your beta readers or your critique partners might say like, hey, you're just telling right here. And why is that a problem? Sometimes it's not. Sometimes the easiest way and the most effective way to convey the information you need to convey in your story is to just tell the reader what's going on. But when you think of things in terms of showing them what's going on, you allow them to be more immersed in the story that you're telling. And so think of it this way. This is how I usually try to explain it to people. Have you ever played the game Taboo, where you have a card and at the top of the card is the word you want your teammate to guess, and underneath that word is the 5 most common words to describe the primary word. So let's imagine that the word is autumn. The 5 words you won't be able to use are like leaves, October, Halloween, summer, spring, and winter. And so you have to get your partner to figure out that you're going for autumn by describing it without using those more common descriptive words. That I think is kind of a little bit the essence of showing versus telling. There's an easy way to tell your reader what's going on. Oh, the building was very scary. Oh, this character was creepy. Oh, that person was mean. Oh, I'm really stressed out. And depending on what you're going for in the story at that moment, that might be fine. But it might be better to describe how dark and shadowy the building is instead of saying it's scary. So I think my dog, I think as you experiment with this and think of it in terms of playing the game Taboo, you might be able to find ways in your writing to describe your story in a more immersive way. I hope that helps and that you enjoyed this little 2.5-minute tutorial. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about writing workshops and see more videos, visit ocls.info/writers corner. Orange County Library System is your place to learn, grow, connect.